Also known as America's adult playground built on big dreams, Las Vegas is one of the biggest business hubs in the country. Almost anything you want you can get your hands on in Sin City, no matter what time of day it is. So it's not surprising that the Las Vegas Valley is home to 7 known billionaire businessmen with a combined net worth of $14.3 billion, making it one of the richest cities in the country. From the fanciest mansions to luxurious restaurants, hotels, and casinos, here's how the super rich Las Vegans spent their fortune. From owning the Strip's most luxurious casinos and hotels to those with stakes in entertainment companies, these are the billionaires that call Las Vegas home. First on the list is Nancy WaltonLaurie, who's the daughter of one of Walmart's co-founders, Bud Walton. After her father died in 1995, she and her sister inherited his part of the company's shares. And the rest, as they say, is history. Nancy's net worth is estimated to be a whopping $8 billion as of 2022, and she owns an outrageously expensive 18,000 square foot home worth $19 million in the McDonald Heights community, which is believed to be the biggest home purchase in the history of the Las Vegas metropolitan region. She also apparently owns not 1 or 2, but 3 yachts, one of them being the lavish 271-foot super yacht Secret, worth a disgusting $92 million. Next up, we have Steve Wynn, with a net worth of $3.5 billion. The owner of some of the most popular casinos in Vegas, such as the Mirage, Treasure Island, Bellagio, and Wynn Las Vegas, is known as one of the most rich and successful businessmen in the United States. Many also call him the King of Las Vegas. And king he is, all right. With his massive multi-million-dollar mansions around the world and a $15 million yacht, not to forget a $70 million custom VIP Boeing 737 private jet, plus a super expensive fleet of cars. Whew, he's one of the richest men in Vegas. His ex-wife, Elaine Wynn, is also trailing right behind him in the list with $2 billion to her name. Plus, the Fertitta brothers, who made a massive fortune of $2 billion through MMA promoter UFC, also made it to the Vegas billionaire list. Apart from casinos and hotels, Las Vegas is also pretty well known for its exclusive and elite luxury real estate. From million-dollar penthouses to mega mansions, Vegas compares favorably with other top luxury markets in the United States. First up, we have this unbelievably stunning and super expensive $15 million Palace in the Sky. That's the ultimate Vegas party penthouse. Rising above Dean Martin Drive behind the Las Vegas Strip, this penthouse has the most intricate detailing and exceptional finishes you'll ever come across. It features a private upper-level master suite with spa-like bath, an intimate rejuvenation theater, a $3 million worth of backlit onyx, a glass panel dance floor hand-painted to reflect a koi pond, the most stunning Swarovski chandeliers, and a pneumatic vacuum elevator. The luxurious palace also features lower-level guest quarters, engineered mosaic waterfall, and a 1,500 square foot sky deck that comes with a built-in hibachi grill. Then we have this incredibly luxurious mega mansion worth a staggering price tag of $16 million. Located at 5212 Spanish Heights Drive in Las Vegas, this contemporary-styled mansion, dubbed Skyfire, sits on 2 acres of land and features over 20,000 square feet of living space with 8 spacious bedrooms, 10 massive bathrooms with the most beautiful detailing and spa amenities. It also features a foyer with a grand staircase, great room, dining room, a spacious open gourmet kitchen, a family room with the most stunning views, and a huge 15-car garage, and so much more. And of course, since it's so bougie, Las Vegas is also home to some of the richest celebrities in the world, including actors, singers, and athletes. The super popular and super rich singer Celine Dion is said to live in the Lake region of Vegas in a mega mansion with her sons, and is often spotted strolling out and about by the residents. Then we have Mayweather Jr., dubbed the best lightweight boxer of the century, who lives in his $10 million, 16,000 plus square foot Vegas home. Mike Tyson, too, lives here with his family in a $2.5 million lavish Seven Hills home. And did you know that the rapper Coolio has also found his gangster's paradise in Vegas? Vegas's super rich with the most exquisite taste only prefer to feast on ultra-expensive menus, which is why it's home to some of the most luxurious restaurants in the US, including the world-famous Nobu restaurant, the name of luxury dining, which has 2 of its branches in Las Vegas. Welcomed by its stunning Japanese-themed interior, Chef Nobu Matsuhisha delivers a traditional Japanese style of cooking combined with powerful and irresistible South American and Western flavors in a variety of hot and cold meals, sushi, and tempura. Then we have Joël Rebouchon, located in the MGM Grand Hotel and Casino. This is one of Las Vegas's most expensive and exclusive dining experiences. Chef Rebouchon, world's highest-ranked chef with over 30 Michelin stars to his name, serves courses of the purest French decadence for that ultimate fine dining experience that only the super rich Las Vegans can afford. Ah, Vegas, the city of glitz and glam, where each hotel tries to outdo the last one. You can spend a few $1,000s on the gambling table or on a few nights at some of the most incredible hotels in the world to get more bang for your buck. The ultra-rich here do both. Vegas lives to exceed expectations, which is why it's one of the best places to splurge on a 7-star hotel, such as the Encore. High rollers and whales love this place at Wynn Resort and Casino, where no expense is spared. When combined with its parent property, Wynn Las Vegas, it offers 40 designer stores, incredibly fresh fine dining, one of the city's hottest beach clubs, and an oasis golf course. Don't even get us started on the rooms. Stunning floor-to-wall windows, comfortable seating in every room, and classic yet modern designs are just a few examples. And if you've had enough of these stunning panoramic views, you can also venture into an IV therapy spa, or maybe even cooking masterclasses. Then there's also the Venetian Resort, known for its Italian opulence. At every step, gold hues exude luxury in this amazing hotel, known for its incredible standard rooms, great restaurants, shopping, pool deck, and in-hotel experiences. This resort is technically 2 hotels in one, so you can choose between the Venetian and the Palazzo. In any case, you'll fall in love with the vibe and architecture. Not to mention the restaurants and other super luxurious attractions for their rich AF guests. Next up, we have the most Instagrammable place on the Strip. That's right, it's the Bellagio. The only thing that comes to mind when you think of Vegas and luxury is this hotel and casino that many know for its incredible fountain show. But for the rich, it welcomes them with open arms into its stunning Dale Chihuly-blown glass flowers on the ceiling, which lead to their breathtaking conservatory gardens that change every few years.